official YouTube channel for Now Solutions. Se when first time one, Now TV, subscribe it. Neko echire ekoshe ebra ye chire bibi about introduction to solar. Na ye free one ye sabe chire enema ekeka bom ema solar ni nyina ye adwuma. Se wo hwe sa enema mienu we nyina wie dia ene ene dia ye chire no betimi afolo na wate ase. Ene ade a ye ba be ka ho asem eye AC, DC, amps, watts. Sa enema we nyina no ebetuma ba say yati din no da nanso so ye nhede hu ni yie eti enede ye ba be start esua bibi about AC na be experiment ketuwa bi experiment na be no ye the water any salt any be experiment no na ya hwe say ebetuma ma yati ase about bibi about voltage, amps, AC, DC. I was about yen started in free AC. So you can say AC, the full meaning, your friend alternative current. The one yen sanction is what say appliances a what we are seeing now. Say a fridge, a computer, a air condition, a sound system. So appliance no on use power ye AC, no use power ADC. Inti ebeka say two powers and they dominate we ase AC and DC. Na obia one advantage. Inti say ye chadi yenye kom na yinti ne ehwede ho. AC alternative current. Aye current a yenye free yenia ye National Electricity Company of Ghana. Sa power no omode buy fie no yenye free ho. AC ne symbol in wave form. Eba be that screen so said the bear abeti ase. AC baby ebeka AC din bia de ne symbol no eba beto ho. Nti sa offer appliance bi ni atro bibi ti say 220 volts AC. Ye the symbol beto am won say we use AC. Nti AC a current ye free electricity a free ECG ho ebe fie no. AC SI current yenye free a bright to fuel agu ye plant man as a generator na ya so power na a free mobile no AC because sa power no na appliances a wofie about 90-95% a usual na the frontier or mining nyina and say we are saying nyina prefer AC power ni say a power ano den ano hye na a power it will travel from city to city. If we say we hwa akosombo and ye baby a ye dam a tiny turbine emma yetimi benya AC no ewo and so etimi free akosombo cross other cities etimi bedru Kumasi etwam ekọ northern region emma omunso enya power. Into one advantage about AC is that it can travel far. It can travel far from city to city. Say do say I can DC once a month. If say DC and travel far. Countries view of what AC power no. I know nyading. To say countries be because the over Ghana, UK, Germany, Australia. Any other countries what Africa ha ye AC power na ye use no na ho den no 220 volts and to be for appliance bia na obehwe ho na use no Ghana it will plug no direct a share plug no bia no that through 220 volts ya through AC but so for America, Japan, Canada omo AC no bu use no 110 volts AC. And not the difference room, and notice all the appliance be free Canada, USA, now they buy Africa, Ghana. Now person o plug ya. To me plug when direct. And Chese Bia would show winning director enye ye. Name so the show director And now say you use 220 volts. Na America power near 110 volts in internal. Ye power na no de. A bit me say FDA na or plug in. So we saw air conditioner. Entry power pa. Ye nim say also sound system entry power kese. Ye nim say blender entry power pa. Then so ye den na air conditioner 220 volts. Blender 220 volts. Sound system no 220 volts. Television also 220 volts. Na fe adenti. Ana omu nyina use 220 volts. Ni ebeka se obitwe power che mo. Ada air conditioner use 220 volts no. Ye ka se use power more a change sound system na. It means say e tra 220 volts e kwatwe 240 volts ana. There be. It means say a true secret power be. Sa secret power no any friend arms. Yen time bonidi. Nti ene dey ye pese e hwe bibi about arms. And nti e be experiment ketua bi ama ye hu say voltage no aye 220 volts no. Enyo onko anenam. Oni ni nua bi nenam. Na sa ni nua no on e dangerous. Sa ni nua no na ma so esi wire mu a etimi shock e wo no. Sa ni nua na nti ene ye ba behwe ye de water ebe gina ho ama volts which is 220 volts near the salt e gina ho ama amps. Every for water ni eno na gina ho e ma voltage. Na yem fa salt. One salt we is so. But see the salt we go nsu ani mu a even say so no kra no ye better say obi kan so ni hwa obeti say salt bi e wo nsu ni mti ye mfangum na ye hwa de Mr. Way and said that piano voltage on any new beer your friend arms now. As some pretty yet time boning your arms and ya mix it voltage me arms afra na yen ready. Say also sound system because of say sound system no and consume more amps. And your voltage the engine is 220. And the engine consume voltage 220. And now say, sound system no and consume more amps in tino. Say nay. A drop put it say. Just a drop. Into also sound system one. Say na energy use no. A cup kakra. Kakra into a better and sana way are draining off. That is sound system, the power action, a train voltage, a train arms. Yes, but so also air conditioner because of the train more arms. Ain't you know, you're ready, you know. See no air conditioner. The moment I was air conditioner, a train more power. A more power at a time. So we don't look at power in the basis. Now so sound system say energy. A small. The moment I was air conditioning, now started draining more power because a more amps. I was have for experiment and near me go water and salt into voltage ni amps. And the Ababinian was ideal. And no na se okambomua voltage ni arms na abegu we no. And no na okambomua your friend watts. Inti ka se watts the amount of voltage any arms device be a use. So what time see voltage by arms no Ababinia watts. Voltage ni go say na sound system consume just drops at the end of 1 hour piano you be amount a sound system a consume ye ebe gu we mu nti watts ni ni na 1 hour bia so no the air conditioning so ya ebe hu the way is draining voltage any amps from the electricity enie ebe drain say enti ube hu say 1 hour echi no ube hu say so air conditioner na consume more watt ama ade no kra ya if by a sound system it drops into way and your friend of watts the amount of voltage and amps are consuming you know to do on your friend of watts yes and any day yes you say voltage and you no kwan na ni nua bi woni mu I friend amps omo no and nam all the time na there a mommy use salt and say you said the slightest salt would be good in so no the moment I'll be tasting you will feel it yes amps the slightest amps a bit above voltage if you hold it you will feel the amps into amp and the what electricity more there be as a so more say amps near more a bit medieval I remember example one say high tension na enam wiem electricity for high tension and yet no one but feel direct because I no voltage any amps na ekuta no e brutal son papa and yet the same as voltage na be feel amps no a high tension no omo connect high tension no e ma bibi a friend transformer na transformer na akati voltage ni amps ni down near the abrey ofie enu ti high tension na nam ho no e betima e be 10,000 of volts any 10,000 of amps but enu na brefia e dangerous enu to me bibia e friend transformer ni connect high tension no ahoma na ba enu na stepping it down at voltage ni so na at amps ni so ni aba abenya use ofie high tension amps in the voltage say we so much you burn obeshi instant but voltage any amps the who feel no 220 volts no if you hold it it will just shock you and then throw you away but high tension if you hold it you burn instantly I will say for when a introduction kakra me person motive voltage any amps the mum yensan to AC now AC power no a power bia yen try dey very carefully so me plug it ade way in na se me so a ebe so aso eduma AC power difference na nature ade na me plug here no se me start turning no this me turning no other way round na me plug here e bitimi asa ma me power but you call DC mo DC ntesa DC positive follow positive path negative follow the negative path so we interchange positive and negative now there is no way say between us appliance amo until basa me trade DC na you be experiment na no so no ya hwede be so until AC ni de even if you turn a plug this way what you harm a positive what you harm a negative o plug here appliance ni be so the same way we turn a plug no more positive no negative ni interchange here still I was here for the making a simple. There was a TRC and say AC power, a power ye free the national grid electricity. And that's a power ye free generator. Eho, that's why a generator, and I say that's why a plant. Energy near free movement, and no, your friend AC power. AC power no. And near me, no, a voltage any amps. But in prep, you more amps in the voltage, any bonity. But before so Obi who say appliance be consume be a friend of watts. And I say what is the total energy appliance be a user no. I just say winning appliance no voltage a effort and any amps. And so in prep you more amps in it. And I'm a tracer. Voltage or non quantity with the salt or any near salt in it. And so the doors the salt can crave in the goom. But yet me feel the presence of salt in it. That is the amps. Even if the amp is small, you can feel it. Yes, and no, and a shocking. The amps on the shocking, and only a homodia, a back. Am I using no machine? So for bread, say we can be about DC. DC and so the meaning now direct current. Direct current. A current, and I say a power source, you free batteries. Energy now battery, a DC. A bio, energy now a free a piano or a solar panel no receiver. A DC. Another source, and so a bit in your DC power free. Yeah. See, being free chargers and I say adapters. Laptops, a use DC. A dear be appliance, be a battery, shemu biano, a use DC power. No, we will say, then adapters. You plug it, Emma AC. Then to make us say, a DC. Yes. So we should apply, we should adapter now. You true say input. A 240 volt, yes, that is the power we put in here. 240 volt AC. That means we put in AC here, and then checking the output. Output means here 20 volts DC. That means we a bit more DC, and so we put in AC input or put in here the AC funny more, not transformers. Any resistance in any be a woman are changing or are transforming about be DC. Ewa, I'm getting their solar laptop and into baby a saying DC power. SR free no, and free batteries, solar panels, wind turbine, and our face adapters. And non so it will convert AC and money be DC mine. Sounds on away. Or also converted DC any AC to vice versa. You betray beer, kakran, said the beer, you better say. I was your information, we both said you bear experiment about DC. Now, because say AC dear, so the baby show say a bear, what's that turning say ya? Bear must a positive no, a called negative in the side, a bear one negative no entertain, positive in the side. A bad man. They will say, but this year, I was a negative, no follow baby or so. I was a positive, no follow baby or and yes, I ain't and not your light to be high. You should DC, yen shady. So I light we is 12 volts DC. And not the positive, be more positive. You are the negative, I'm a negative. I was therefore, you want a light and also. But here interchange it. Near for negative, come on positive. Near for positive, come on negative. Near ready this. The positive now be negative. Near the negative now be positive. There is no way to power this. But saying ACDR, na kibit mama power. By DC, there was a negative. I compare negative power. Not positive. I compare positive power. Na adia ye per free DC mu anasa adekase wo DC mu nyina ye amps e wo DC world no amps ni eboni din more than voltage but e wo AC power world ni dey above voltage din more than amps. I would say for a simple power ye free batteries eno ene friend DC power yenye free solar panels ahoden na ewia ne de ban solar panel ni nya eye DC power for your drew baby a yeba be kire watts ni any kilowatts. I think say show you will be good screen so say make asana ama yati ase make say voltage ono nko anante oni ni nwe bi e friend ene nante enu nti no say voltage any amps and mix it together and my appliance be usual the result na appliance ni be use no a consume no enu ni e friend watts enu nti watts e simple ahoden a machine be use enu nti no say be see hu watts a voltage no use no times the amps o use enu na be me hu machine watt enu nti say for machine bi no throw voltage a machine ni use no throw watt no one throw amps a e was say ye math ni ati ase ye beko akọ divide watts no ba be share so ni divide voltage no by 8 answer e benyan enu ni amps a machine it all appliances are not the same omuye the same so omunyina use the same voltage but omuye the same so omunyina use the same amps they use more amps no or consume more energy they use less amps no and consume energy kese ana yesaba bibi efe no kilowatts a ebusiafo ye nyina yabeti ase se ye ka se 1k a k bia stand for 1000 it instead of say ye be ka se 1000 watts no yetimi ka se 1 kilowatts difference of kilowatts no instead of say be ka se 1000 watts no yetimi man another form as 1 kilowatt instead of say be ka se 1500 watts no you bet make say 1.5 kilowatt because kilo bia stand for 1000 timi e try short 1500 watts now be 1.5 kilowatts kilo bia stand for 1000 and also mun cheche mun no and unti say wo koto inverter you bet make say inverter we 5000 kilowatts Emani confuse you. Emani nyawa ade emo. E kire say 5000 watts. Inverter na ho ode. And also for solar panel. Yes, the solar panel we dey kan nyina abomu a ebe mo 1.5 kilowatts of energy. It means say ebe ma 1500 watts of energy. And I'm actually say watts no before obi hun say ade bi watts ni no. Ade say what calculating voltage no. And then the amps are a use now what you be who the watts. You do solar panel more. The very specification of solar panel more. They are the voltage in the amps I say and the baby be who the watts are a produce. And simple. Now say we go step by step. They want to see piano or the fatu. As we move along, no, obetiasi. I will tell me the baby a crown me say. AC world of power voltage that dominate only a body din kese amps no ye de ne kote enso wo hye wo so ye nchirem na mo ba DC world the body din pa ye amps enye voltage the whole so amps ni din ne enti ye nhye no ado from the nchia Emma Big Ben or Chicago Big Ben Chiao pa e wa daroma e no nchire bi a chire yen na man ne so yetimi kasa e chia me boss Elder Ajiman microfield engineering e munyina amadum e ne mo pipe bo ne mo moa na man ne di ye chire we club 31 members safari Kela obi bia o ka ho bia Junior Romeo, Frank, Idriso, Chia Ubia, Ebio, and Krason all the way to London. Amao, Victoria Uso answer, wɔso so yɛ wɔn kyi a wɔn nyinaa madom na yɛakeka nneɛma abom a yɛakyi a obi bia wante ne din ɛnɛ no kyina ɔbɛte ne din. Wodamase.